Well, hello, ghouls and guys. Or ghouls and gals. So, as many of you may know, I'm broke as shit. Isn't that right, Pookas? We broke! And let me tell you, this year's quarantine, even though on the calendar it says quarantine fun time, that's a dirty lie. Nothing fun about quarantine fun time. But anyway, so I'm gonna teach y'all how to make simply salads. Oh wait, it's suddenly salad. Shit. So we got a twin pack of suddenly salad, which is probably even better than simply salads because it's just suddenly salad. Make it your own. Alright, so I got this at the dollar store for like $2. Suddenly salads. $2. So I'm already boiling some water on the stove, but let's get a look here and see. And this is a double pack. So we got our noodles and our. Am I gonna make one of these or two of these? Oh, I got some chicken I can put it. Wait, do I still have chicken left? Oh, I don't think I have chicken left. Fuck, I can't make it my own. So to start out with your suddenly salads, we need a bowl. Jesus fuck. So we're gonna start out by making the sauce. Now, I don't follow the directions. And I never have. Oh, and for reference, this suddenly salads is bacon and ranch pasta vegetable blend. Alright, so do you fucking mind? First, we need the ingredients. Why are all the lights in my house a bad? We need some ingredients. Where are my fucking ingredients? So, this thing says to use a whole cup of, you guessed it, every white person's friend, mayonnaise. Look, we match. Every person loves mayonnaise. But don't worry, we ain't fuck. Why isn't this clean? It's clean. Jesus. Getting kinky today. Jesus. You gotta. Please don't demonetize. I'm not even getting paid for this. I'm not even getting demonetized. I don't make any money. If I was, I'd probably be demonetized. Alright, so that's about as close as we're gonna get. Wait, were we supposed to use a cup of mayonnaise? Or... No, I don't follow the directions. Half a cup. Oh! Oh well. So kind of go gung-ho with the mayonnaise if you want, and then, because it is ranch and bacon, we're gonna add some straight up ranch to this bitch. Ugh. All that boiling water. Beautiful. Then we're gonna add some onion powder. Just a little sprinkling. A little sprinkle of onion powder. What else do we got in here? What else can we add? We need some pepper, a little bit of sprinkle that. Some Goya, a little bit of Goya. Goya tastes good on everything. All right, then we get our friend the spoon. Stir our fucking pasta because it's about to overflow. We're just gonna mix this together. Now that we've mixed our shit together, look at that. Awesome. Now we just gotta wait for the water to boil. I don't know why this is called suddenly salads, because it's been like 10 minutes and there's no salad. Boil. I hear that train a-comin'. It's rolling round the bend. And it won't shut the fuck up even though it's 1 a.m. Here it comes. Woo-hoo. Once the noodles are done, which is like 10 minutes later, we're gonna drain the water out of them. And I don't want to use a colander, so we're using a plate. Oh, all the noodles are falling out! Yeah, I still have the audacity to look surprised when all the noodles are still falling out. Just fucking dumping the noodles in the sink! Seriously? I lost like 10% of my noodles. I got some cold water here. I'm just gonna dump that in there. Then I guess I'll concede and use a fucking colander. Now that we've got that out of the way, we're going to transfer this to our pre-prepared bowl. Beautiful. Fucking noodles in the sink. Fuck! Then we're going to take our pre-prepared, we're going to dump it in here. Now, I swear, this tastes better than it looks. And we're just going to mix it in. Mix that, yeah. Then we're going to put it in to the fridge, and we'll have ourselves a simply salad. in like 2 hours. Or suddenly salad. This isn't suddenly salad. Technically it's salad, but I can't eat it yet because I had to wait for it to get cold.